we have a 2019 69 plate Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. As you can see just there, these are the AMG multi-spoke alloys and they're complemented by the silver calipers just behind. You've then got the Cosmos black metallic exterior paintwork, and as you can see the vehicle is all stealthed out. As a look at the front view of the car, you've got the AMG badging on the right hand side there. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. Worth noting, we've also got the factory night pack on this vehicle, which means you've got various bits blacked out. We've got the black wing mirrors, chrome and black door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, sliding panoramic glass sunroof just there too. Taking a step back, we've got the spoiler at the rear there, and how fantastic does that look? Really does look incredible on these. Adds to that aggressive styling. You've also got the rear black diffuser just there as well, the dual X exhaust. As well as that, you'll find a reversing camera and front and rear parking sensors. Some more AMG badging at the rear just there as well on the left hand side. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel, and let's head on to the interior next. Starting at the rear, full black leather interior with the contrasting stitching, ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. You've got the storage nets behind the front seats, integrated Burmester sound system, electric window controls, brush missile handle, plenty more leather again with that contrasting stitching on the doors. Heading on to the front now, you've got that same full black leather interior. And how fantastic do these seats look? Now both front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, as well as being heated, unlock and lock button, brush metal handle, power folding electric wing mirrors with electric window control and child lock for the rear. There's another look at the Burmester sound system. If we go across here as well, you'll see just there you've got the Burmester text on there as well. You've then got the facelift multifunctional steering wheel, and how fantastic does that look? Digital display both ahead of you and in the centre with plenty of great tech. Features like speed limiter, cruise control, Apple CarPlay. We've got a dynamic select with adaptive damping. You can adjust the suspension. Plenty of great features included. Now we are still awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, but as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of the vehicle's features. Until then, if you would like to learn more about the car, have a look down in the description below where you will find all of the relevant information. Until then, that is all from me, so thank you for watching.